Now, once we are done with our step number one, let us move to step number two and learn in detail about conditional formatting. We have already learned about conditional formatting in the last class. Today, we will look in detail exactly what are the different parts. Last class, we have done conditional formatting for marks. This group activity, we will learn how to apply conditional formatting to characters that are there in Google Sheets and apply different colors. So now our Google Sheets somewhat look like this. Create a column with your name as the header. Before giving the name, it is better to make the Google Sheet look more appropriate. So what I have done, I have just gone on column A. You will be able to see I can drag it like this also so that all the texts are visible in one particular line, or just take your cursor to A and double click it. As soon as you double click it, you will be able to see that the texts are aligned. Or another way of doing this particular part is that select column A, and from here we have already done about merge text, and if you want then you can increase little bit over here and make the font size uniform across all. Done. So now somewhat the text looks proper over here. Now moving ahead, create a column with your name. So over here I will be writing group member 1. You have to write the name of the group member. So group member name, group member 1, group member 2, group member 3. I'm just copy pasting and changing the number. Group member 4. Again the same thing, if you want to do text wrap, go for it, or else just increase the size so that it is there in one particular line itself. Now, after putting the group members, add an X for each of your online actions. So if suppose I'm group member number 1, I have purchased something online, I'll be putting an X. Done. Downloading and using shopping apps, yes. Done. Then using a mobile banking application, buying and selling stocks, viewing articles online, subscribing to an online news source. Done. So these are some of the activities that I am doing when I'm there in online environment. Now, as you are able to see over here, it shows online actions which is bold. So what I will do, I will just go over here and on the left hand side of the 100%, you are able to see paint format. So I select it and I'll select all the group members. So you are able to see now somewhat it looks appropriate. Done. One more time showing it to you. First select online environment, go for paint format and just select the group members. Again, group member 3 and select group member 4. Now you are able to see that all are approximately of the same font. Now you are able to see the X is very small over here. So I will be increasing the font size so that at least it is visible to all of you. Yes, it is visible. I have made the font size as 16. Now, and use conditional formatting to add colors to your digital footprint. So what I will be doing, I will be selecting all the rows where the footprints are there, where required to go in format option. In format, you will be able to see conditional formatting. Now, this cell shows us the range of the cell. So for your convenience, we have selected B2 to B17 and it is shown over here. Next is the rule which we are going to apply to the formatting part. Now, what is the thing that we have put over here? We have put an X over here. So I will be selecting one more time and format contain, text contain, and I'll be just giving X and whatever color you want to give. So suppose in order to make visible, first I will be selecting a yellow color so that it is clearly visible to you all. You are able to see over here the first thing, contain color X. Then next again, the font size was 16. So it's better first of all put it 16 from C2 to C17. So I'll be putting the font size as 16. So this goes to the second member of the group. Second member will be putting certain X. I'm just copy pasting this in 3 or 4 cells down. Now again the next process. Again select it till the last. Go in format, conditional formatting. You are able to say C2 to C17. Text contain alphabet X. And this time if you want to change the color, give any other color and check whether the color is getting displayed or not. So this is the second step, and make sure that the X that you are marking in the cell should be center aligned. How to go for center align? We are very much aware about it. In horizontal align, we are required to go in center align. So you are able to see we are creating a Google Sheets that is marking our digital footprints with the help of X, and we are applying a conditional formatting over there.